In this video, we will learn to fix Instagram error 24. So let's begin. So to fix Instagram error code 24 while downloading and installing the Instagram app, what you have to do is just go to your mobile settings. Once your mobile settings are open, just scroll down below and search for apps or application manager. In your case, it might be application manager. In my case, this is apps, so just go and open it. Once that is open, in your case you might have to swipe twice left to get all the applications listed, including system applications. In my case, I have to tap on these three dots and tap on show system. Once all the applications are listed, including system applications, what you have to do is just scroll down below and search for Google Play Services. Go down below and search for Google Play Services. So here it is, Google Play Services. So just go and tap on it, and here tap on storage, and here tap on manage space, and here tap on clear data. Tap OK. Once you have done so, go back. Now search for Google Play Store. So here it is, Google Play Store. So just go and tap on it, and here you might get an option of clear data. In my case, I have to tap first on storage and tap on clear data. Once you have done so, go back and now search for Google Services Framework. So here it is, Google Services Framework, and here just go and tap on storage, and here again tap on clear data. Tap OK. Once you have done and removed or cleared data of these three apps, Google Play Services, Google Play Store and Google Services Framework, so just go and open your Play Store, and here just go and install the Instagram app. Hope by doing so your issue will be resolved, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.